Lorry is out there digging up something. Today is a Sunday, 14th of August. Well, looks like we found a bit of rubbish. She's putting it back. Just like to show you something. You know, a good friend of mine, he does modification. Peter Woodland. You can see his mods on a whole lot of different setup. I'm just putting a metal detector down to show you what I'm running it on. It is a little bit too close. It is something I really got to put it on. And battery test going down, volume limit whatever, 12. I don't take much notice of a GB type general. A special sharp goes into it, whatever. Main tune 180, deep, motion slow cause, and is gain. Now this is the one I want to show you. It's on 12, right? And front gain is on adjust a little bit because this one has got a full boost. You can see it's just slightly turned on the side. Run it in deep, normal, tracking, and cause mono. But the reason I'll put this on, I like to show you the quietness of it. And yet, if you come to the target, it's so quiet. It's hard to believe it. I haven't put his RS gain any further up. I think it's on about 2, maybe, something like that. And Lorry is just there in front of me. Behind the trees, he's hiding. He's trying to be camouflaged. Anyway, I guess you can hear the sound of it. I got you right next to the speaker. How it runs, if you bang it a little bit, it would go off. But this is a quiet soil, very quiet. And to run it really correctly, I have to lower the RS gain in a hot ground, and I lift it up in a cold ground, which is here. We are there. You see, I dropped a metal detector and the cord that set the thing off. But I can't say nothing about modification. I think it's one of the bloody greatest thing ever. We didn't find any gold this weekend. I've been prospecting what for. This is the 4th day today. But this area here is all been done. I have found the gold here previously, and I'm looking through it, you know, if we can find any more. So me and Lori came here to look at it. But reason I put this video on, it's just to, you can see a little bit of scenery around anyway. This bush is very thick. The vehicles are way down there, somewhere past that tree. You might see the white things down there. That's where they are. The vehicles are down there. So we walked up this way for probably much further through this bush. We'll walk maybe 3 quarter of a K up that way, could be even a K. So we walk fair distance around. It's very thick bush, and Lorry keep calling on me. He gets lost. He doesn't know where he is. But I found the gold years ago when I had the GPX3 just in this area here, and then I found it up on the below the hill. Then I found here right in front of us, and but another point in that, and if there's a gold here, I would find it. The metal detector is so quiet that you know, I don't even believe it that I run it in RS gain on 12 and his gain on 2. I could probably put his gain on 3, but I'm not going to do it because I know I'm going to pick up more hot ground. Okay, and this is what it's all about. And who is talking behind this? It's only me. I'll turn this thing around. So you can see who is talking, and that's who is talking here, and it runs great. You know, the machine runs beautiful, and it's worth it every cent. We persevered with it with the modification, but his latest modification is one of the probably greatest thing ever happened to metal detectors. I know I can beat a GPX7 7000 on the 23 inches, 4 ounces of gold. 7000 can't pick it up, and I can pick it up 6 inches above. So that's how much modification has made a difference. And I wouldn't talk about this if I'm, unhappy about it. But I'm talking because I have respect for a man who trying so hard to tune up the metal detector. It's like tuning a radio to the different station, and you get all these different stations, So it's like earth signals you get on your metal detector. It is the same sort of different radio station. Try to get in contact with your metal detector so you know what are you working, that you are prospecting in the ground where is mineralized and possibly some of the treasure hidden like a gold. So to tune up your metal detector towards it, you've got to work on your metal detector and on its modifications, and you've got to work with it. And once you get to control it, I see there is no problem with modification whatsoever. But if you put a both RS gain up too high, his RS gain and this other one, well, then you've got a heaps of problems. But you've got to learn how to control it, and away your metal detector will go deepest. And my runs beautiful they are. And I've got this 17-inch nugget finder. It's called Evolution one. No, Advantage one, not Evolution. And I'm very happy with the coil. It's a light. I can sweep up a lot of ground, and it's not any better than new nugget finder Evolution one. I know this one can beat it by 1 inch. So remember, tuning your metal detector is just like tuning it to a radio station. But you've got to tune it to suitable multiple stations, like a mineralization of the ground. And that is one of the hardest parts to really tune your metal detector in and to get it running correctly. So when I get in a hot ground, I put his RS gain down to 5, to 4 if it's needed, and I eliminate the hot ground. But some of the hot rocks I just can't eliminate, and nobody can. No metal detector can do it. But anyway, just I like to say thanks to my friend Peter Woodland for his great work, and I can't say no more to find the gold. I think once I strike the gold area, I will find it. So remember, tune your metal detector like Laurie does down there. He's tuning his up. And he's coming up near to talk to me about it. Find anything, Ma?
A bit of ferrous metal.
Aye?
Bit of a hammer.
Bit of a hammer.
Or is it from a sleeper?
Well, there you can keep it. Don't put your boots down there on my metal detector because that will set it off. That's a beautiful hammer. You can take it home.
It is a hammer.
Well, you can always give it to some builder, that you they inspect their work and say if they done something wrong, you can say fix it up. Here's your hammer. Okay. Bye everybody. Nice talking to you guys. Today is what? 14th of August, Sunday. It's about what? 4 p.m. 4 in the afternoon?
2:30.
2:30. Well, I was only a few minutes ahead, so
Hour and a half.
what's the
So
big deal?
You must be getting close to the beer o'clock.
Okay, bye.